Inside the separation zone, lighter slag rises and is skimmed away by automated tools, while purified molten material remains below. Inside the separation zone, lighter slag rises and is skimmed away by automated tools, while purified molten material remains below.
Inside the cooling tunnel, red-hot products travel on rollers, while cooling intensity is precisely adjusted. Inside the heat treatment chamber, temperature profiles are fine-tuned to achieve target strength and microstructure.
Inside the equalization furnace, semi-solid products pass through controlled heat zones. Infrared Inside the trimming station, synchronized robotic cutters remove uneven edges from the hot material, preparing it for straightening.
Inside the trimming station, robotic cutters remove uneven edges from the hot material. This process trims edges and prepares products for straightening.
Inside the accelerated cooling zone, high-pressure water sprays hit glowing material and producing clouds of steam.
Inside the holding furnace, materials pause at target temperature to stabilize grain structure. Sensors maintain.
Inside the holding furnace, materials pause at target temperature to stabilize grain structure. Sensors maintain exact conditions. Inside the descaling unit, high-pressure water jets remove oxide scale from product surfaces. Clean metal emergence.
Inside the descaling unit, high-pressure water jets remove oxide scale from product surfaces. Inside the stress relief furnace, products undergo a controlled reheating cycle to release internal stresses.
Inside the stress relief furnace, products undergo a controlled reheating cycle to release internal stresses. Temperature ramps smoothly.
Inside the cool-down tunnel, products exit the stress relief furnace and cool gradually under monitored airflow.
Inside the thermal shock chamber, products rapidly cycle between hot and cool environments. This process verifies
Inside the tracking station, robotic markers and AI scanners assign batch IDs to finished. Inside the batching zone, robotic gantries stack approved products into uniform bundles with precise spacing.
Inside the stabilization area, batched products rest under controlled ambient conditions to equalize temperature and internal stresses.
Inside the compliance node, AI systems generate digital certificates confirming products meet industrial standards.
The new algorithm has cleared the backlog in Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. The flow rate is up 18%. The new routing sequence is live on Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. We're seeing a 20% throughput increase already.
Reviewing batch records and certifications. Verification complete. Dispatch authorized. Inside the protection zone, automated covers and barriers shield products from moisture, dust, and temperature fluctuations.
Inside the protection zone, automated covers and barriers shield products from moisture, dust, and temperature fluctuations.
Inside the furnace shell, robotic crawlers inspect refractory linings using thermal cameras and ultrasonic sensors.
Recovery efficiency is up by 15%. I'm initiating the optimization sequence for the main furnace.
Looks good. The trends are stable.
Operational readiness verified. Authorization confirmed. Restarting cycles. Operational readiness verified. Authorization confirmed. Restarting cycles.
Inside the monitoring gallery, AI systems track flame patterns, oxygen ratios, and exhaust composition in
The thermal imaging suite allows us to visualize the furnace's health in real time. As you can see,
Throughput confirmed. The curves are holding flat even with the thermal spikes.
excellent. Generating the summary report.
The AI systems continuously monitor the furnace operations. Review of the final metrics confirmed.
Inside the predictive modeling suite, AI simulates long-term furnace stability and component wear under continuous extreme.
The Environmental Reporting Suite confirms sustained compliance. Emissions controls are optimized, resulting in
Process completed.